Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you the most amazing, delicious and traditional IVYGUARD recipe. It is also known as DONDAKAAYA, kanduri or Donde in different regional languages. What you call, do let me know in the comment section below. So without any further delay, let's get started. For this I am cutting the IVYGUARD as shown in the video. So like this in the smaller slices, and here you can see the IVYGUARD is cut and is ready to be cooked. Now let's add in the following masalas into it. First of all, I'm going to add in salt according to taste. Now add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder or coriander powder. Mix all the ingredients using hand or spoon as the way you are convenient. Now I'm going to cook it instantly if you want, and for better results you can even marinate this IVYGUARD at this stage for up to 15 to 20 minutes. Now heat an iron tawa on the stove and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into it. After the oil gets heated up, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira and few curry leaves and allow them to splutter for a minute. Now add in masala mixed Tindora or IVYGUARD and mix all the ingredients using a spatula. Continuously stir it and cook for up to 5 minutes on high flame. Do not lower the flame. Cook them on high flame. This is a traditional recipe and tastes too yum with roti or paratha. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. After 5 minutes, cover it with a lid and cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now take the lid out and mix it from bottom properly. And you can see the IVYGUARD has even become tender without adding a single drop of water. You can see I'm showing you. It has cooked so wonderfully and it tastes too yum and too good. Now continuously mix and cook about 2 to 3 minutes. And now add in some chopped coriander leaves on the top. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix all the ingredients and continuously stir and mix for better results. If you want, you can even lower the flame if the IVYGUARD is sticking to the bottom. And after 5 more minutes of cooking, you can see the very delicious and traditional unique tawa IVYGUARD fry is ready to be served. You can see how yum and how delicious it looks, and this is the speciality of this IVYGUARD, that it is not cooked in water. Without adding a single drop of water, we do cook it and it looks so yum and so delicious. Let's serve it with roti. You can also serve it as a side dish when you cook rice and dal. It tastes too yum and too good. Once give it a try and do let me know your experiences in the comment section below. And if you find my recipes interesting, do share it with your friends and family members. Do hit a like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then,